We are still in the village for my brother's traditional marriage.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you.
Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time on this channel, welcome. My name is Joy. So on today's vlog, we are taking a trip to the village in preparation for my brother's traditional marriage. And on this vlog, I am also going to show you our house in the village. It is so big, and I will also show a little bit of the house inside and outside. Also my elder brother's throne room, because my brother was a king in my village before he passed away. So watch the video to the end. You don't want to miss everything that I am going to show you guys on this particular video. And thank you for watching today's video, and if you have not, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn the notification bell on, and share the video. Until next time, take care.
So we are still in the village for my brother's traditional marriage. We're going to stay for at least an extra day or two before we go back to the city, Enugu. But as you can see, I wanted to show you guys my house in the village. The house is so big. Yeah, this is the house. My brother built this house. This house has been like 20 years plus, and it's still standing like this. It has been here for over 20 years. The house hasn't been used that much since my brother passed away, so you can see what my brother did here. But I'm gonna give you a history of this house. So this house was built by my late brother. My brother passed away a little over 4 years ago. So when we were kids, my parents passed away and we didn't have a house at that time. And people used to laugh at us and make fun of us that we never had any house at that time. And God blessed him with money. The first thing he ever did that time in the 90s was to build one of the biggest houses in this village at that time. And this house became the talk of everybody. At some point after he built this house, my village, my community decided to make him the king of the town, and he became the king and all of that. But unfortunately he passed away and we miss him a lot. So after he passed, none of us have been here. The house, we left it and we didn't even care anymore about the house. But you know what, this is still our house. We cannot run away from it, and we are here. We came back this year. Me, my younger sister, and my brother who lives in Spain came back to spend the holidays here. Plus, he was getting married.